Hey guys, if you've been on the hunt for a Temu coupon code that actually works in 2025, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you how to grab a $100 Temu coupon bundle quickly and without any hassle. Let's get into it. First up, scroll down to the video description and click the link that says claim your $100 Temu coupon code bundle. That link will take you straight to Temu's official website. No scams, no spam. Once you're there, just sign up if you're new or log in if you already have an account. It's super fast, easy, and totally free. Now for the fun part, check out Temu's huge range of deals. They've got everything from clothes and gadgets to home stuff, beauty products, and more. Add whatever you like to your cart. When you get to checkout, pop in your coupon codes from the bundle and watch the prices drop right away. It's like unlocking secret discounts with zero extra work. Here's a pro tip. If you combine your coupons with Temu's flash sales or daily deals, you'll save even more. So don't wait. Grab your $100 Temu coupon bundle now by clicking the link below. Happy shopping and enjoy those savings!